Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to set a contact ringtone on Android. Here are the steps to set a custom ringtone for a specific contact on your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Then open the Contacts app, or Phone app, or go to Contacts tab. Find and tap on the contact you want to set a ringtone for. Scroll down in Contact Settings and look for Ringtone or Contact Ringtone. Choose a ringtone from the list. You can select System Ringtones or your saved custom tones. Optional. Tap Add or Plus to choose a custom ringtone from files. Browse and select your desired ringtone. Tap on it or save to confirm the ringtone choice. Your selected ringtone will now play when that contact calls. Take note, some Android versions may have slightly different menu names. If the option is missing, check your default Contacts app or use Google Contacts. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.